To handle this question, we have to be comfortable with the idea of the average as a repeated number. For data set A, there are 75 objects with an average of 25. So what we can do to think about the sum of A is we can just imagine that all 75 of those objects are equal to 25. And we can do that because if they all were 25, then we know the average would be 25. So for mathematical purposes, we can just do that. We can say all 75 of those are 25. Same thing for the sum of B. We have 50 objects and the average is 65. So once again, we don't know if they actually are 65 in real life, but we're going to imagine that they are because that's going to give us an average of 65 for all 50 of those numbers. So if the average for everything is the sum divided by the number of numbers, we know that there are 75 objects in A and 50 objects in B. So we know that there are 125 numbers altogether. But for the sum of them, we're going to imagine that we've got 75 that are all 25, and then we've got 50 that are all 65. And we want the average of everything. So we'll just calculate this out. 75 times 25 plus 50 times 65. That sum is 5,125. We're going to divide that out. And that gives us 41, and that's the mean of data set C.